In this video, we'll be covering the steps that are recommended for new members when getting started with flowlog. To know more about flowlog, feel free to read through the pages in the About Flowlog section. Right now we'll check out the Features page, also known as the Home page, which describes flowlog in a nutshell and details some of its core features. This information on core features provides visitors with a clear understanding of how flowlog is intended to function and why it was designed that way. A brief description of each feature can be found throughout the home page, as well as an expanded details option, which will help you dive a little deeper into the underlying function of these core features. Heading over to the support section, the first page we come across is Screencasts. These instructional screencasts demonstrate how to perform common tasks and use certain features in flowlog, so that you're already familiar with how things work when you begin using flowlog yourself. Flowlog's documentation section makes it easy to navigate and find what you're looking for by organizing documentation into folder and file icons, mimicking a file browser. If you want to get a clear understanding of what flowlog can do or how things work under the hood, the documentation section should prove useful, and we recommend any feedback in regards to improvements. Additionally, if you are using flowlog and need help with the individual options on a given page, hovering over any yellow highlighted text will reveal the built-in help text, which will hopefully provide you the information you need without having to leave the page you're on. If a member is having a flowlog or accounting related problem that's not caused by a bug or missing feature and can't be resolved by reviewing the documentation, screencast, or help text, the forum is where they can go to ask for help from fellow members. Members should use the search function to see if similar questions have already been asked prior to creating a new thread, as well as reading through the forum rules and etiquette and thread posting guidelines. Forum posting is accessible to flowlog members and developers, while reading forum posts is open to any flowlog.net visitor. Flowlog also offers an easy-to-use issue tracker, used for reporting bugs and requesting new features. Viewing issues is open to flowlog.net members as well as site visitors, while creating, editing, or commenting on issues is only accessible to flowlog.net members and developers. If you want to give flowlog a test run before creating an account, you could try it out by using your own private demo account for up to 2 weeks. All you need to do is click on the demo link, select Create Account, and your demo account credentials will be automatically generated for you to log in with. Just make sure you save your credentials before you click on the green Create Account button, because they will not be shown again. If you're through using your private demo account, or you want to skip the demo altogether, you could simply create an account and start using flowlog. If you've created your account and would like to help support flowlog, you can go to the payment page at flowlog.net/payment, which is completely optional during the beta for the first 100 members. We hope this information was helpful to new users or anyone who might be interested in trying out flowlog, and we recommend any feedback about this video or anything else flowlog related. And thanks for watching.